my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. Today I have a little video that comes via my lovely friend Rachel Marquez Actress. I will pop her Instagram down below and up here. She sent me a video of an amazing girl who obviously I think works in a scarf store doing 1001 different ways to tie a scarf, and many of them I would never have thunk of in a million years. Thought. I never would have thought of in a million years. So I wanted to do some of them for you guys. The original video is linked below because I don't want to be stealing anyone's ideas or content. I just wanted to share a couple of my favorite ones with you and then give you the chance to go and check out the ones that you like below on the original video. All credit going to her because she is a genius as far as scarves are concerned. I will say some of my scarves are a little bit shorter than hers, so some of them I've done a modified version because my scarf literally didn't have the length to do the twists and turns that she did, but it's kind of inspired by what she did, if that makes sense. All right, you want to have this kind of down near your belly button, do a loop around your neck, leave this a little bit loose so you've got something to work with. Then you want to open this out and fold it up once and twice. So you've got like a rectangle. Then you're going to grab it in the center to create like a bow and twist it over. Then this comes underneath in the center of the bow where your hand is and flips through the hole in the middle. So you're creating the bow shape like so, yeah? Tighten it up. Like so. Again, I'm looking in the monitor to try and keep everything central. Then you're going to tuck the bow, just these ribbony bits on the side, through your loop around your neck. And I like, personally, it to sit a little bit dog-eared. So the bow is kind of down and I turn it to the side. It's a little hard to see in the monitor, so hopefully it's looking okay. And then just tighten the center of the bow. How cute is that? Like over a little 40s suit, I think would look super, super cute sitting on the outside of the blazer. Your neck is nice and warm. You've got that little bit of added warmth over the bust area. And it's just a massive accent that's so, so gorgeous and much easier to tie than I would have expected. Cute. Okay guys, so for this one, you need to fold your scarf in half so that you can, you know, pop your arm through like a classic winter scarf style, you know, hair out of the way. Then you want the inside piece, so the piece that is closest to your neck. It's a bit hard to see because it's not a printed scarf. Okay, so the inside piece goes through the loop. Then you take the underside of the loop and you pop the outside piece through that. So you're making like a little braid. It reminds me of bread. Yeah, I think this underneath a suit would look so gorgeous with that braiding, and then you can kind of spread this out across the bust. You could even kind of make a faux blouse out of it as long as you're, as long as everything is done up like underneath the blazer. So pretty. So, so pretty. This last one is kind of inspired by her video, but again, my scarf wasn't long enough, so it is my own interpretation. But pop your scarf around your neck, do a loop, so I'm going to leave about just below the bust, do a loop and keep this nice and straight. Then as you come round the back, you're going to tuck this one inside so it comes out underneath like so, and make your twist happen. I move the twist to the back, or the knot to the back, so that the scarf on both sides comes out underneath. And then, like you were doing a tie, go round and behind. So over, under, and then you're going to tuck in and up here and hide the ends inside this bit. Like so. And pull this down and over like a little turtleneck. And then open it up. Like this. So it's kind of like a little Windsor knot with your scarf. There we go. So that's the video, guys. I hope you liked the different scarf looks and they keep you cozy and warm this winter. I like the idea of keeping my neck nice and warm because a lot of my vintage stuff, apart from my skivvies, doesn't cover my neck. A lot of my jumpers don't have a high neck on them, so a scarf is my best friend. So hopefully these keep you warm as well. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that little notification bell so you know when my videos come out. Follow me on my Instagram. Come and join us in the Vintage Tips and Tricks Facebook group. We would love to have you, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.